Xinxing Stone has been a major local taxpayer for 30 consecutive years, and a stone manufacturer which annually paid over 10 million yuan of taxes on average. With a 150,000 square meter factory, Xinxing Stone has built 2 production bases in China and 1 production base in Malaysia. With 12 artificial quartz production lines, Xinxing Stone has independent export and import business and can offer 1,500,000 square meter products every year. Xinxing Stone's products are exported to many countries and regions in North America, Europe, and Southeast Asia. After 30 years of development, Xinxing Stone has formed a spirit of dedication and innovation. With advanced Italian stone processing equipment, Xinxing Stone has achieved standard, large-scale, professional modern production. The innovative R&D team combines Oriental aesthetics with modern technology. With skilled workers and advanced equipment, Xinxing Stone meets market demand efficiently. The high-quality management team adopts strong flow management and standard management modes for its production lines. The strict quality control system guarantees the high quality of each slab. They strive to manufacture quality stone slabs. In terms of development of models and colors, selection and grinding of materials, combination of auxiliary materials, compression forming, polishing, quality control, and standard process management, Xinxing Stone guarantees that its products meet high-tech, high-standard, high-quality requirements. Xinxing Stone provides various quality stone slabs on schedule. The products have been highly praised by customers, including engineering tops, countertops, cut to size, and tiles. Long-term operation and sustainable development are the driving forces for an enterprise to fulfill its operation goal and to exploit the market, as well as a foundation for an enterprise to foster talents and to build a talent team. Humanity is the foundation for an enterprise to maintain cohesion and market competitiveness.
我叫叶宗宏，我在新兴已经工作22年了。
我叫蒋秋阳，在新兴工作20多年了。
我叫杨树生，我在新兴干了21年。
From generation to generation, Xinxing Stone has carried forward the profound humanity, the spirit of ingenuity, and the philosophy of quick response in providing services. From a new starting point, Xinxing Stone has set out on a new journey. With a history of 30 years, Quanzhou Xinxing Stone Techniques Company Limited has forged ahead constantly to achieve the goal of manufacturing classic products with ingenuity and guaranteeing the high quality of every stone product. Only by making the most of every minute and working hard can we cherish time and succeed in accomplishing missions. Only by working hard can we show our strength. This is also the conviction of the Xinxing people.